Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our most respectful parents and dear students of Senior Montessori, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I am your teacher, Rabia Ayub from Multan Public School and College, and I am here to teach you English for class Senior Montessori. A very warm welcome to all our online learners. Okay, dear students, today we will be doing a new letter and a new sound. Okay, so let's enrich your vocabulary through reading. Here we are on our reading page, and the heading says enrich your vocabulary, and here is our new letter, capital letter H and small letter sound capital letter H and small letter sound capital letter H and small letter sound. Okay, what is the sound of H? That's right. Okay, and we are going to be learning 10 new vocabularies related to our new sound. Okay, so let's start. Hen, house, hat, hockey, helicopter, hat, horn, hill, hawk, hand. Okay, hen, house, hat, hockey, helicopter, hat, horn, hill, hawk, hand. Okay, dear students, now let's have a look at these vocabularies individually. Okay, what do we see on the screen? It is a hen. 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 Now this is a house. We all live in a house. 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 This is a hat. 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 Okay, dear students, what do we see on the screen now? Hockey. 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 Okay, this is a helicopter. 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 A hut. 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 Horn. 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 Hill. 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 Hawk. 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 Hand. 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 Okay, dear students, now we are going to revise our new 10 vocabularies and our new sound ha one more time. Okay, so let's revise. Here we are back on our reading page of book for Senior Montessori, book level 1. Okay, let's start. Hen, house, hut, hockey, helicopter, hut, horn, hill, hawk, hand. Okay, dear learners, now let's move on further. Now we are going to do writing task and homework. Let's see what are we doing in our writing task and homework this week. Here we are on our writing task page. Day is mentioned and date is mentioned. We're going to put in day and date, and this is capital letter H and small letter sound H, and you're going to first trace capital letter H and small letter sound, and then you're going to do self writing practice of capital letter H and small letter sound. Okay, here is one more page for your self-writing practice of capital letter H and small letter sound. Okay, dear students, now practice makes us perfect. So we are going to do more practice of self-writing of capital letter H and small letter sound. And one more writing practice page for capital letter H and small letter sound. Okay, dear students, now we are on our activity work page, and day is mentioned and date is mentioned. We are going to fill in day and date, and the heading says write the missing letters and color the image. Wow, you're going to have so much fun coloring this flower and the leaves over here, and the stem over here. Wow, first we are going to fill in the missing letters. We will start A. What comes after A? We're going to write here in the blank B. What comes after A? B. Okay, C is already written for you. What comes after? This is K, sound K. What comes after K? We are going to write in the blank over here. What comes after sound K? D. That's right. A, B, K, D, and the sound E is already written for you. What comes after E? Who will tell me? Yes, it is the sound. Do you remember the sound? Yes. Okay, you're going to write the sound over here in the blank over here. And what comes after sound? G. G is already written over here. And what comes after? What did we learn after G? What sound did we learn today? That's right. It is sound. And you're going to write in the blank over here. Okay? A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H. And you're going to color this flower, color the leaves over here, color the stem, and have lots of fun learning. Respected parents, discussion time for this video lesson is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you very much. Okay, little learners, time for me to fly off until we meet in the next session. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.